Guess the country by its flag. Yes, that's the flag of the United Arab Emirates. Colors, shapes, and stories. Flags tell it all. Amazing, Brazil! Flags are fun. Yes, and learn. Great! It's Malaysia. Don't stop now. The next flag is even cooler. Yeah, it's Egypt. Wow! You're a flag expert in the making. Cool. It's India. You're getting better. Keep guessing. Yeah, it's France. Every flag is a clue. Where to next? Wow, it's Canada. Smart kids, spot the flags fast. Yes, Mongolia. Don't stop now. The next flag is even cooler. Amazing! It's Russia! Let's travel the world, one flag at a time. Awesome! It's Azerbaijan! You're a world explorer, one flag closer to victory.
Fizz and Quiz. Like and subscribe.